guys, welcome to the how-to channel. As you can see, we are in the kids room and today we are going to try to install some LED lights right here in these beds. As usual, kids are a little bit afraid of the dark and I want to make one permanent solution using this LED strip. We will install this LED strip right here underneath this bed. So when this light is on, it will shine directly to the floor and that way it will not be too bright and it won't wake up the kids. In one recent video I have shown you how to cut and reconnect these LED strips, and that video you can watch by clicking on this card in the corner. But for now, let's finish this work and you can watch that later. Now I will show you how to connect everything in order for this experiment to work. First of all, I want my LED strips to be controlled by a remote. So I got one digital remote with a control switch. This control switch is this white unit right here. And this system, I want it to be powered by a plug which is plugged in my electrical socket in a wall. So basically I want this system to be always on, but to be controlled by this remote controller. So I have basically used a plug cable from one old TV. I have connected it to this control switch from a remote controller, and the control switch I have connected to the adapter. Now this electrical adapter, it converts input from 220 volts to the output of 12 volts. So basically it converts this electrical input from a socket. It reduces its power to 12 volts, which is just enough to power these LED strips. Because if a power of 220 volts comes into these small LED strips, they will all burn out. The remote controller and this power supply you can find in links in the description, and as you can see the connection is pretty easy. Here on this remote controller you have one grid where is explained how to connect everything. So red goes to 220 power and one black goes to that power, the other black goes to the adapter and the blue one goes to the adapter. And from adapter, here on these plastic parts we have a plus minus sign where we are going to plug in our LED strip. So to check if this works, I will put my plug right here in a socket, and as you can see the power on this LED strips is on. Because I want to have a little bit separation between this adapter and this LED strip, I will disconnect this one right here and I will connect this extension cable, let's call it, and the other part of extension cable I will connect to the LED strip. That way we can install the LED strip from one part of the bed to another, and then the extension cable will go down and all the way in the back to this adapter, which will be plugged in an electrical outlet. Alright, now that we have our LED strip in a place, alright, now let's plug it in to see if this really works. Alright, nice. Now because of this long extension we have possibility to hide everything all the way back there in the corner of this bed. There you have it, guys. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Nice.